Good afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for October 12th, 2016. It's about an hour and 25 minutes till the close. Want to get this out early is basically everything that I've talked about on the premium side and the futures charts I've showed is starting to come to roost in here. We have been talking for a long time about the bond market, that the bonds lead the stock market. If you take the bonds and you put ZN in here, this is the 10-year note. You could use the ZB, which is the 30-year bond, or the ZN, the 10-year note. And every time that we see this kind of thing where we see a sell-off in these notes, that it finally bleeds off to the SPX. So all we're seeing in this is this, and I wanted to show you carefully in here. Look at the rally in 2016 at the beginning of the year. Then take the SPX on the right and notice that then 2 weeks later it rallied. It sort of sat here and hovered right in this area around April, and then the market hovered around April. The next leg up in the notes, we had another leg up in the bonds. That's the good news. The bad news is this. Check out what's been going on in the last month under the surface. You have everybody thinking we're going up, and you have the SPX is near a new high, but you have the bonds where they were in April. That's like the NDX going, the SPX going to 2050. So finally, today it started to come to roost in here. One of the reasons it's starting to come to roost is we've had 5 straight quarters of earnings that have been going down. SPX still at an all-time high. What does everybody say? It's because there's nowhere else to put your money. Well, now you couple that even the pre-earnings that have come out lately, you combine that with the yields going up, and all of a sudden there's another place to put your money. So that's what's coming to roost right now in here. On the premium side, we'll definitely go into levels we're looking at and what stocks to play in this. But to sum up right now, you have the ES is down 34.75. Big old move. NASDAQ down 90. Russell getting whacked down 30 in here. Just when you thought it was safe to go up on the long side, we've reversed to the down. Bonds up all of 5. You're not seeing that flight to quality. Industrials down 243. SPX down 32. And transports, even with the rails looking good, and some of the airlines did look good earlier, down 66. You have gold down a bit. Crude oil down a bit. Dollar soaring today, which has something to do with this. Look at this advanced decline. That kind of picture is something only a mother would like. 2,678 decliners, 298 advancers. VIX, like I've been warning on the premium site, the VIX looked like a bull flag, and it's up 288 today. As you see up here, up more than 10%. So where do we go from here? I think you have to realize the ESs are in this level where if they don't hold here, I think you could see the writing on the wall. You go in here and you put a 195 chart up here, and you'll see the same thing. We've been talking about this forever, about this trend line. Well, now we've broken. The thing you have to realize is, first step is the support right here. Next step is that distance, 2170, 2140. 30 points gets you to 2115, which is support. Well, we're almost there. So the first objective has already been done. Then it comes down to how the market is going to act after it rallies from its oversold condition. And we're on the premium site, we'll go into that. So if you didn't know, we have the $7 30-day trial, includes your chat room, where I'm on from 9 to 10 in the morning, premium videos, which is a lot more in depth than what you're hearing now, the email alerts. Email alerts are a big deal in here. Stock trades and chart ideas, index and futures charts, unusual option activity. I'm telling you, these have really kicked in. All you have to do is sign up, go to the index and futures charts. I had a number of emails last night about people that don't even trade stocks, only futures, and they sign up for our site because they love what I've been interpreting about futures. Unusual options activity. I don't just post any trade with options. I post trades that you can act on now, and they seem to work. So I hope everybody's enjoyed this video. Hold on to your seatbelts in this type of market, that's for sure. And I look forward to being with you tomorrow. Take care.